Hello again. I am glad that you decided to watch my next video. Okay, so do me a favor. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. And make sure you do like this video in the end, or go ahead and do it now, okay? I'm trying to build my channel and I need you to help me get to at least 80 followers. This is how I'm so new to this, but I need at least 80 followers for right now, and then you can help me grow, so I can get more followers. Once I hit this goal, I'll be looking for more. But my name is April. You can call me Kitty. My brand is Chateau Decor Gear. I am a fashion designer, and what I'm doing right now is practicing tie-dye, ink tie-dyes that I want to do on my newest collection. Now, tie-dyeing is easy to do, but there's a certain look that I'm trying to get for my collection. So it's not easy to get what you want. It's easy to tie-dye and you get beautiful patterns, but when you're looking for a certain way that you want your ink dye to look or to do, then you're gonna go through a lot of trials. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna show you some of the ones that I've done that I really like, and I'm hoping I can duplicate it. Well, you can't duplicate a tie-dye, but I would like to get the look as close to what I've already done, and I need to do some more. So it's always good to, well, for me, since I design clothes and I put them together and I construct them myself, it would be better if I just tie-dyed the whole fabric lot. If I've got five yards of fabric, I need to do that. I would cut out each piece of my pattern and tie-dye it that way, but it gets to be a little bit too, it doesn't really work the way you think it would, because you're still going to end up tying it different. But anyway, if you look at this, I love the way this looks. I'm going to give you a close-see. I hope that you can see that. I love the way that looks. And so I want to try and replicate this. And you can see this is a really light, soft aqua blue. And I'm really trying to recreate that. I am drying another piece in the dryer right now. And then once it's dry, I'm going to come back with it and do the black, dark brown looking design that I've done here. Sort of a dirty look, sort of like an industrial dirty, but it's going to be a classic look. So that's my twist, okay? Okay, so here's my other piece that I really like. And of course, this is just a piece of fabric that I said I'm going to build something from, but let me go ahead and do an ink tie on it. And I love what it looks like. I introduced some gold in it too. Hopefully you can see that. And I decided I needed to do some more in the same way. So that's what I did. And they are still cooking. Now this last piece that I did, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, and I'll let you see when I see what has been done. So let's cut this, and hopefully we get some good shapes, something really intricate and ooh. So once I get this undone, I'm hoping I can be very happy and surprised. I ended up forgetting one step before, and I ended up erasing the entire pattern that was on this look previously. So if you looked at my other videos, you know what I'm talking about and you saw it. So this time, hopefully, I got something good, and I do remember now. Go dry it so that it's you'll keep what you have. So, and you guys forgive me, my voice is tripping a little bit. You know, the pollen and all that, it really gives my throat a hard time. So I sound a little froggy. You know what's wrong, okay? Hopefully I can get rid of that someday. It's never been the same since I had COVID. Since COVID came in and did a number on all of us, it really did a number on me. Okay, let's see what we have here. It's another little rubber band. So, ooh, are you seeing? Well, this is what we have. I think it looks nice. Check that out. It's a blue and gray. And let's see. That is cool. Don't you think? I like. So now I've got to think about what I'm going to do with it. Where am I going to place it in the collection? What am I going to do with it? But yeah, so since I am happy with it, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the dryer. Closey? I think it looks great. So I'm going to go place this in the dryer, and I'm going to get to work on another piece, and hopefully it's going to look just as awesome. And once I get this collection built, I'm going to let you see it. Plus, you're going to get to see the photo shoot, the video shoot, and I have to see which one to choose for the magazine for next month. It says April and May. It's going to be a June, July issue, so we'll see. So thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see when I post a new piece of content, and especially when I've done the fashion shoot. You want to see that, okay? Do that for me. Ding. Bye.
It's a runway lifestyle. It's a